Well, if you've been wanting snow in Denver, you're finally going to get it for Sunday morning, December the 28th. We're going to go from a high temperature of around 60 on Saturday afternoon, around 2, 3 o'clock on Saturday afternoon, down to about 20 degrees with snow by the time you wake up on Sunday morning. And it'll be about 9, 10 hours between that 60-degree temperature and the time that snow starts falling around midnight, a little after midnight on Saturday night into Sunday morning. So let's get into some details about this. So first of all, the system that's bringing this in, it's a sharp cold front that's going to move in from the north and the west. This will bring us those much colder temperatures just in time for Sunday morning. And then still a couple questions around how much snow to expect in the Denver area, but I still think that we're generally looking at about 1 to 4 inches for most of the metro area. However, there's two sort of big questions in my mind around this. Number one is that there is the potential for some localized bands of heavier snow. The models have been indicating this for a little while now, so I wouldn't be surprised if some areas, maybe somebody checks in with 5, 6 inches. Little TBD on exactly where, but I would say again, somebody may come in with 5, 6 inches. Most of you will not. Most of you probably 1 to 3 in that threshold. Number two, the ground is really, really warm, right? Because it was so toasty all week long. We were in the 60s, 70s all week long. We're going to have that dramatic temperature flip. The question is, how long will it take for that snow to actually start sticking on the ground? Because again, initially that snow is going to be falling on that really warm ground. So those are the two big questions in my mind. But again, with that in mind, here's the general idea. I would call this a medium confidence forecast, not a super high confidence forecast, not a super low confidence forecast. Of course, we'll have more updates as it gets closer.